Hello and welcome back, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not new, thank you so much for returning to my channel. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So today I have a client. Actually, 3 months ago I had this client, and I'm super behind on editing, so I do apologize, but more content is definitely coming soon. She was just booking for a silk press and a haircut. She had a lot of like split ends and like some heat damage that she wanted to get rid of. So here I am just showing you guys her initial texture when we first started. Now I'm just going in, blow drying her, round brushing her. Of course, I did use a heat protectant as always. We are into healthy hair on this channel, so I will link everything that I use down below. And now I'm just going in with my Rust Speed Freak blow dryer, and I'm just blow drying her hair out, making sure that her roots are nice and dry. And now, because of COVID, you have to make sure that around the mask is also dry. So I try to make sure where they put the strings behind their ear is nice and dry and it's not saturated with water. So now that she's all dry and ready to go, I did spray some I sprayed some Influence S3 spray on her hair. And I'm just going in with my flat iron that you can purchase at www.cassandraolivia.com. I will drop a discount code down below, but it's YTCAST10 for 10% off. I will link that down below. Make sure to order your flat irons. We are almost completely sold out. I did an $80 sale a couple weeks ago. It did phenomenal. So shout out to all my subscribers, friends, family, followers, people that just vibe with me, who supported me. That means the world to me, and I really appreciate you guys. The next restock won't be for a while, so if you don't get in where you fit in, don't be mad that you missed out. You hear me? You feel me? I don't know what I was trying to say there. I think I was trying to say you feel me and you hear me at the same time. But anyway, I'm just going in, pressing her hair out with my custom flat iron on 450, and then I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to cut and style her hair afterwards. This part is pretty self-explanatory, but feel free to drop any questions in the comments down below. I try to respond to as many comments as I possibly can.
Okay, so now my client's all pressed out. I'm just combing her hair down, going ahead and putting in her part. She said that she did want a side part, so I'm just going in, making sure that's nice and clean before I proceed to cut her hair. So I typically will put my clients in the mirror. You guys know I have this huge mirror in my suite, so I'm just facing her there, making sure that she has it where she wants it before I start to cut her hair in the shape that she requested. So she initially wanted a big chop, but I decided we still took a couple inches off, but we just decided to go with more of like a short style bob. So here I am. I'm just having her put her hair down. I'm just putting in like the initial guideline. Then I will go back in to clean everything up. I do this just so that way when she does put her head back to normal, it'll have some elevation to it and her bob will sit like right exactly where I want it to sit. I admit I'm not the best at explaining how to do haircuts, so just feel free to just look and learn. If you guys have any questions, again, you can just drop them down below. I will try to respond to as many comments as I possibly can. And yeah, I'm just going in freestyle and freaking this a little bit, adding a little bit of point cutting and dimension, just so that way it's not like super, super flat. So I'm just watching this and I'm just looking around. Again, I just like to go in and take my time whenever I do haircuts. Do not rush. You just want to make sure that you're putting your guidelines and just going nice and slow. This can take as long as you need it to take because once you cut the hair off, you cannot put it back. So I can't stress that enough. Just make sure that you're taking your time. If something's not perfect, just go in and clean it up. Just make sure you're not taking too much hair off of the client or you're recreating different guidelines throughout the hair because then it will be a disaster trying to keep up with and trying to make even. So I'm just going to finish perfecting this cut and then when I'm done, I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to style this. We did do a bob with just a little bit of layers just because her hair was a little bit shorter in the front section. So I'm just going to go ahead and perfect that and then proceed to curl and style her hair. Now, my client did see me cut her hair. She was in the mirror, but I just like to hand them another mirror so they can see the back and the sides, make sure everything's laying how they want, make sure everything's good. I just like to get a second opinion. She's smiling. She's loving it. So now I'm just going to go back in with my Sleep Pro irons that you guys can purchase off of my website. And I'm just going to start to like bump her ends. I'm hard bumping underneath just because I know I'm going to comb it out. So, yeah, you can just style as needed. I'm not doing too much, just adding a little bit of elevation and bending her ends. And then I am going to use a wide tooth comb to rake everything through and just to blend out her curls. So now I'm just finishing this off with some BioSilk Natural Hold and some BioSilk Shine On. And now I'm just going to rake through her hair. These are feather curls at the top. And again, I just bent the ends in the back. And now I'm just going to comb everything through just to make sure that it's nice and laying the way that I want. And then I'll just apply some edge control and she'll pretty much be done. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Thank you for your patience. I literally did this client like 2.5, almost 3 months ago. I'm super behind on editing, guys. Like, I'm trying to come back stronger than ever. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoy this style video. I have tons more videos coming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. I'm outie. Enjoy. And do not forget to drop a comment if you are feeling this, okay? So I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I'm actually getting ready for work. It's 6:30 in the morning. So yeah, I had to kind of sneak to do this, but I'm glad it's getting done finally. So again, everybody just have a wonderful and productive day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.